I will give the quick example for used the web view in Flutter. First we have do some configuration changes. We will add the web view underscore Flutter dependency in pub/spec YML file, and for Android we have to be set the minimum SDK version 20 and add the internet permission in Android manifest file. Let's start the code and set this configuration. For WebView underscore Flutter, this dependency you will be find this from this website pub.dev. I will copy this dependency text and paste it to my code. This is the pub/spec YML file. I will paste it here. After this, we have to be called pub/get for downloading this dependency. While it is downloading, then we have to set the internet permission in manifest file and update the minimum SDK version 20. Okay. Previous video about stateless and stateful visit. In that I have shown how to use this visit. In my home page visit, there is only a top bar with the title WebView Flutter, and in that body I will add the WebView visit. Okay, let's add the WebView visit. WebView. Initial URL. I will add http www.google.com. Because this initial URL is hard coded, so it will never change the state, so we have to put the const before this web view. Okay, we have to do add some more configuration. In state there is another method, init state. In init state we have to update the platform, WebView platform, to Android WebView. First we have to check which platform. By platform, platform dot is Android. If this code is run in Android, then we have to be set the update the WebView platform equal to Android platform, Android web view. Is this only for this web view? For iOS we have to do nothing for additional configuration. Let's start the application. All in Android. Let's look. Search something. Now let's run in this code in iOS. Now you can see that this google.com is launched in iOS 2. Let's find something here also. If you put this web view in column visit, yeah, another visit, then it will be crashed because of it take infinity height and it will give the error. Let's show how. Now I am use the column visit. In the column visit there is a property of children's, and in the children I will add the web view. Initial URL http://com. Put const before this web view. Okay. Now let's run this code in iOS. Good. If you see that the app is crashed, because it takes the infinity height. So how so solve this issue? We have to use the flexible visit before this web view. Flexible and add this child in this flexible visit. And in this flexible there is a another property, flex use 1. Now let's run this code again on iOS. Now you can see that the app is running perfectly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.